How to check link in bio on Instagram. To do that, first of all, make sure that you have your Instagram installed on your phone. For that, simply go on the Google Play Store on your phone and on the search bar search for Instagram. And if there is any update option available, then do update it. If not, then you can simply open your Instagram. After clicking on the open, you will now see the interface like this. On the down right side, you will see your profile, and when you click on it, you will see an interface like this. In this page, you can see a link on your bio. That is what link in bio means. Instagram does not allow to follow the link if you have pasted in your post. There is only one link you can paste in your Instagram, and that is on bio. If you want to put any other bio in your Instagram, then do delete this and add a new one. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel.